Welcome to the flowerschool.com slideshow library. I'm teacher Marisa, and today I wanted to share a simple design, but does require some advanced techniques for something quite eye-catching. Overall balance is key for this design, having strong emphasis in the center, then using the color enhanced materials to add interest, which balances out both sides with repetition and line, with the color volume and mass in the focal area. What makes this even more fascinating is that we are using the leftover stems from the lilies and aspidistra. These usually end up in the trash, but here I repurpose them back into the composition, which gives the illusion that this is a hand-tied bouquet laying on its side. Color enhancing can elevate a design by adding contrast, especially here when aspidistra and fatsia are the same color and texture. Experimenting is what makes floral design so much fun, in my opinion. You don't have to use just lilies to create this design. Play with your favorite blooms and color enhancements and see what you create as you do something you love. You can find the full slideshow at flowerschool.com.